Let me show you the problem, eh?
There's no problem, you drove to yesterday.
There is a problem. But the display is dodgy. Look. The clock and display is a bit dodgy. A very well known issue. So we've got to take this off like that. Got a question. Have you got those Lego block removers? Oh, these are ideal. So you just push down there, and then that goes under there, like that. And just keep working your way around like that. Where did the other two go? Ah. There you go. Where have you put the last one? In it? Where's it gone? Ah, you cheeky boy. Oops. Okay. In there somewhere. Now I've got the front edge up, but we need to sort of work at the back ones. Just give it a little wiggle, loosen them up, be gentle at the same time, but also sure of what you're doing. So a good little method is get your little Lego block removers right in the corners there, and then push back down on the front to pop the back up. So put that in, wedge him in like that, and then push down back on the front, pops back out. Then work your way from this way out, and then that comes off. Here you go. Have you got the other piece? Where did the other piece go?
In here.
Okay, good place to keep things. Right, now we'll undo 1 and 2 screws. 1 screw, put that somewhere safe. Yeah, perfect. And the other screw. There you go. Put that somewhere safe. Thank you. Now, we just got to pull this out. This is pretty...
Will it come out if I punch it?
It won't come out if you punch it. You've got to be careful with these things. Alright, we just got to move that. Right, that comes out, and look, there you go, look at that wire. There you go. Put that over there.
That stuff?
That's where it tells your speed on that one. This one we're going to repair is where it says the radio and temperature and stuff like that. Now that we've got all that out, this should come out. But let me have a little play with that in a minute. I might need the Lego removers again. Pull from under. Nice firm pull. We'll try this side now. The way I got the left hand side, which is always the trickiest bit, is I put the Lego piece in there, so one in there on the side, and then you get another one, and then you put it down there, and then you go pop, and then that pops out without you yanking it thinking you're gonna snap it in half, and that comes out. So take that out, take the clip out. There you go. Now we've got the units here. There you go. There's a present for you. Say thank you.
Thank you. The present.
You like it?
I put it in here.
Yeah. Actually, don't put it in there. We've got to take this apart. Right.
Take my present apart.
Yeah. All right. Let's have a look inside. Up the inspection table. Looks to me like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. Get that off, take it apart. Let's do that now. Okay. And the other side. Tell you what I'll do, I'll leave one in just so it doesn't drop back down again. Oh no, you can't. Okay. Now these Lego removers are incredible. There you go.
Not just for Lego.
Now that's the display. We've taken the front off. Now we've got to do these 2 clips, 1 and 2, and then we get to the, oh no, there's another 6. So start here, 1, 2. I'm just going to loosen it up first. I have to do this a couple of times around, just work it round. Oh, I just closed it back up again. That wasn't clever. 1. Oh, here we go. 2. There we go, look. Oh, that was a good one. Ready? Oh, yes. Let's just work out on the other side here. Pop them up. 1 and 2. This is the last one now. Here we go. Are you ready for what's inside? Gently. Don't know why he's catching. Unless I'm missing something here. Ah, there's a little cheeky nodule there, stopping it from coming up. Very clever. Look at the inside. Wow. Right. Look at that. That doesn't come out of there. The board doesn't come off the screen, so we'll leave that be. But apparently what we're meant to check, so other people have done, is they solder, I don't know if you can see it, let me change the camera, there you go. These solder joints become loose and you need to resolder them, especially these ones over here where it looks a bit faded on the right. To me, I don't know. Let's clean it up with that rubbing alcohol stuff. Okie dokie, let's rub some cleaning alcohol on the contact points. Definitely dirty. Now there is a difference, I don't know if you can see on the camera, but let me point this out to you. These look really well soldered where I'm pointing now. Then these 2 here are like gold in colour. They're all really good. These are all golden. These are all silver. And then this last row of 10 there, looks like there's no solder on them. That's my now I know nothing, but one would assume that they should all look identical. Alright, let's just do that last one. Okay, I think we'll say that that's good. I've assembled all that back together. Let's just plug it in, turn it on and see if it works. I've just plugged it in. Let's put that down there. Right, moment of truth. To be honest with you, I'm pooping my pants. Let's have a look. Please. Oh. Looks good to me, mate. Looks good to me. Yes, I know. Doors open. Radio on. Nice. Now, aircon. There we go, feet. And there we go, the temperatures. It works, boys. I did it.